You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to bring y'all along with me for some late night laundry motivation. It's a little after 9 p.m. and I've got about 2 weeks worth of laundry to do because we had so much going on the past couple of weeks of May with the kids finishing up school. And honestly y'all, as much as I like doing laundry, your girl just didn't feel like doing it. But that's okay because we are going to get it done tonight. So let's go ahead and get started. So these are the products I'll be using for my laundry tonight. I had to switch a couple of them out because they were not HE products and I thought they were. And my washing machine requires that we use HE products. I'm going to start by separating everything so that I can get my first load started. So I like to separate my clothes before I start, and I'll separate them by color. So I'll have darks, whites, and then I'll have white towels and colored towels. Y'all leave me a comment down below and let me know if you separate your clothes by color or do you just wash everything together.
With you I feel like a fighter. Nothing can make me back down.
If you're new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I would love for you to leave a comment down below to say hi and introduce yourself. I'm Tiffany. I'm a wife and mother of 2, and I love to create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you like, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell before you go. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So I didn't have much going on that night. It was already late when I got started, so I was just relaxing and watching movies in between loads. So my first load is done and I'm going to go ahead and switch it over from the washer to the dryer, and then I'm going to get my second load started.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be. Don't take it personal.
So my husband had made it home from work, and we're just hanging out together, having a little snack and watching a movie.
Make a name for generations.
So we were watching The Irishman with Robert De Niro and Joe Pesci on Netflix. It is a very good movie. Y'all should check it out.
You always posting the pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working.
So my first load was done drying, and I'm going to go ahead and take those clothes out, and then I'm going to get my second load in the dryer so that I can get my third load going in the washer.
Check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out.
So y'all, my husband is so awesome. He worked all day, and then he came home and hung out with me while I was filming. And he helped me move the tripod around and was talking to me and just keeping me company while I was doing laundry. And y'all will see here in a little bit how late it was when we finished. And I just appreciate him for hanging out with me and keeping me company the whole time.
I won't make you wanna run. Only in my dreams, only in my dreams. I play fair, I don't make you leave. Oh my God, why is it so hard to love? Only in my head, only in my head. I'm the person I should be instead. Oh my God, I'm too rough around the edges. I'm so unrefined, can't make up my mind. 'Cause I'm too rough around the edges. Steal and cheat and lie, make my lovers cry. 'Cause I'm too rough around the edges. Edges. Too rough, too rough, too rough. Around, around, around. Edges. Edges. Too rough, too rough, too rough. Yeah, I'm too rough around the edges. You should know I'm pretty special. I don't mean in the best way. If you trust me with your heart, I won't make you keep it safe. Only in my dreams, only in my dreams. I play fair, I don't make you leave. Oh my God, why is it so hard to love? Only in my head, only in my head. I'm the person I should be instead. Oh my God, I'm too rough around the edges. I'm so unrefined, can't make up my mind. 'Cause I'm too rough around the edges. Steal and cheat and lie, make my lovers cry. 'Cause I'm too rough around the edges. Edges. Too rough, too rough, too rough. Around, around, around. Edges. Edges. Too rough, too rough, too rough. Yeah, I'm too rough around the edges.
First time I saw you, I knew all the time. It was something in the air that night, and in the way you looked at me. I get nervous when you get close and my heart fills up with butterflies. And then you leave me speechless. My world turned upside down. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got. The one I've got. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Wanna tell you how I feel instead of keeping it all inside. So hard with you, I don't know why. Believe me, boy, I've tried. When you're near me, my heart fills up with butterflies. And then you leave me speechless.
Okay, y'all, so my second load is done drying, and I'm going to go ahead and take those clothes out, and I'm going to get my third load in the washer, and I will put my fourth load in the washer. Wait a minute, that wasn't right. I'm going to put my, don't even worry about it.
It's the only one I've got, the one I've got. Don't break my heart. 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 Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart. Don't break my heart. Remember, it's the only one I've got. The one I've got. Don't break my heart. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart. Don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got. Oh, don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm
So y'all, at this point, I don't even know where we are in the wash cycle. As y'all can tell from my little snafu a few minutes back, I'm just confused. I don't know where we are, but I know we are still washing, drying, and folding. So let's keep going.
It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. And I know everything will be alright. Wanna go now.
Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Everybody's smoking, boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your charm, tell me things like how you hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're two of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it out. Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you.
Okay, y'all, so it is after 2 in the morning and my last load is in the dryer, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap things up. So I'm gonna put the living room back together and we are gonna call it a night. I hope that I gave you some motivation to get your laundry done, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.